That's right, guys. In this video today, we are installing a Underglow kit on the NC Miata. You know, the car's got the body kit, it's got the wing, it's got the upgraded engine, the flashy wheels, and I think if we're gonna go full Tokyo drift, gotta have Underglow. I went ahead and picked up a set of zip ties because we're gonna definitely need these for mounting and cable management. And we've also got a fuse tap for when we need to add power to this thing. We'll go ahead and do a quick unboxing. This kit was only like 25 bucks, and if you wanna pick it up for yourself, the link to the Amazon listing is down in the description. It comes with your mounting hardware, a cigarette adapter if you want to plug it in that way, and also a battery and fuse tap section. But this kit just comes with a remote. I didn't want an app because the Chinese are already spying on us enough. For 25 bucks, I don't need anything flashy, although I do want something flashy. But this will be perfect for what we need, all of our lights. I think it comes with 2 strips. We've got a front right here, which just about spans the whole length. And then these are the longer ones, which are gonna work on our side skirts. And they're actually really quite durable. Like it's not like a standard like LED strip kind of thing. They're all waterproof, and they're, you know, they got some bend to them. They feel really durable. And I think with all the bumpers just being screwed and bolted on, I think we should be able to do this without having to jack up the car or anything. So we're gonna jump into some time lapses and montages. So cue the music and let's get these installed. Stick be.
I assume pretty sticky if it's meant to sit under a car.
Never underestimate China. China. Done. It's pretty clean, actually.
Just the turbo, or is it the turbo and the engine?
Yeah. If you buy the kit, yeah.
But that's what you want, is the kit.
You should get the kit.
You want.
All right, both side skirts are off. We've got our LED strips Underglow on each side. Now comes the task of fitting on the front bumper. And luckily with the aftermarket front bumper, it's pretty easy to just take right off. So as long as I've done this correctly. Hold on. One more thing. It's been a minute since I've had to take this off. All right, hold please. So I've used like all different ones, which is really annoying, but
I think Kias were the easiest.
dude, they were. You could just take a key apart with a flathead. Flathead screwdriver.
Remove the entire body with just a flathead.
Here we go. All right, are you filming?
Yeah.
All right, now the bumper is ready to come off, and just like that, wow, so easy, very nice. All right, let's put the Underglow on. Cool. Okay. I've only hit a little bit of things. Honestly, I'm surprised that it doesn't have more, but that's not too bad. I guess I'm not living that low life, but anyways, time for Underglow install. Oh, it's going to our voice.
Oh.
I don't want to take the wheels off.
Right, yeah.
I don't want to do any extra work for a $25 mod than I have to. Oh, there it is. Oh, well, perfect. Perfect. Now we can mount our side skirt back up. It's not gonna be as easy. There we go. Well, this is when I start losing it. Who is texting me that many times? Side skirts are both on and wired in, so that means it is time for our front bumper. All right, everything is all back together. We went ahead and did some cleanup of the wiring, but the rear is installed, the front bumper is back on, everything is back together. So now we're gonna test it out here in the garage, but after this, we're gonna take the car out. So real quick, let's shut the lights off. And there we go. Now I think yellow is the move, but you can see our front looks amazing still. Sides looking great as well. And then the rear also looks absolutely sick. And we put it on there in a way to where there's gonna be no shadow from the exhaust pipe, so it's very even looking. And then obviously this side looks great too, so I think we need to go drive it. And that is going to wrap up today's video, guys. I mean, this is so sick. It just looks so cool. I'm rocking the yellow right now. White was on video. It's a little blue because of the white balance, but yellow is like a very golden yellow. I know there's probably tons of you out there that cringe through this entire video, but it's fun to have fun, but you have to know how. And I think with this, for $30, money well spent, you get a sick Underglow kit, and the car just looks so cool. I'm so stoked on this. Link to purchase this kit is down in the description below. Let me know if you guys have Underglow or if you're gonna decide to do some Underglow. Maybe after this, we can do some more accent lighting on the interior and the engine bay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.